Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and another Houston chiropractor, Dr. Eric Judson, and he still comes by here to adjust me, hopefully every Thursday. He's been pretty good the last couple of weeks about it, huh?
Hi, YouTube fans.
Yeah.
Good to see everybody again.
So I'm going to get my adjustment today. You've all been asking to see a video of me getting adjusted, so I'm going to show you. I do the same thing that I preach. I bet you I'm off and to the right.
Yeah, you're translated
To the right.
Right.
Yeah, that's me bending over that table adjusting all the time. My pelvis shifted left.
Crooked.
Yep.
All right, Doc, come on over here.
Now see, I love this. This is my favorite adjustment right here. Dr. Judson is the only one that I'll let do this on me. You've been doing this on me now, what, 2-3 years?
Oh, it's been a while, Doc. I've lost track of time. And I get so busy working on people and just time slips away.
Yep.
All right, ready?
Get me in there tight. Yep,
All right,
that's good.
All anchored in?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, YouTube, all you crack addicts out there, here's Dr. Johnson's turn. All right, Doc, breathe. Do that again for me. Very good. All right, got a pretty good separation.
Yep.
How far did I get?
Another way.
All right, good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Still bumping? Still
Oh, yeah.
bumping.
Yeah.
All right, try to relax. Gonna get his facet joints here. Already moved. Wonderful. Another one this way. Very good. All right, easy peasy.
Yep.
All right.
Oh, thank God. Love Thursdays.
Want me to pull your legs for you?
Yeah, that'd be great. Can't get out here without pulling my leg.
Okay, Doc, just relax your hands on your belly. Relax your thigh muscles.
Mm-hmm.
Nice stretch. Go straight down.
Oh, yeah.
Good pull.
Felt that all the way up in my right SI.
One more here. Relax. Very good. All
Yep.
right, that moved good on both ankles.
Yeah, it did. Sure did. Oh,
Okay.
am I doing this
Yep.
knee chest on me?
Sure can. Whatever you would like.
Well, this works really good on me because I have that lower thoracic subluxation complex.
Alright, so we're going to get right on his T11, T12 junction. Gonna use a knife edge contact. One more breath for me.
Oh,
Very good. Easy number.
Excellent.
That moved very well.
That's another one of my favorites. I have a lot of favorites when it comes to getting adjusted.
Got some newspaper, Doc. You got it?
Been on my morning until Renee came back now.
Down.
Very good. Like those
I'm trying to
bottom
move the
two.
whole table. Is this thing powered off at the moment?
No.
You want to go down?
Is the green light
I'll
on?
just use it right where it is. Yeah, the green light's on.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. We're just going to drop straight down. L5. L4.
Well, that
I'm
new-
going to take his pelvis straight down. Very good. Get his sacrum, SI joint. Very good. Nice flexibility there. I'm going to lock you up here.
Just push it in. There you go.
There we go. See if you be able to do anything. Fairly limber. Alright, not a lot of pops through there today. Alright, very good, very good. What else? What else? What else
My
are you
neck,
feeling?
if you don't mind.
Alright, you want to do a combo?
No, just the straight PA
Straight
drop.
P to A. Alright, reset your drops here. Alright, I'm going to go right about there. Try to relax. One more.
Yep.
Very good.
Okay.
All right. Okay, what else? What else are you feeling?
Well, that's about it, actually. That feels pretty good. Yeah.
Stand up in the mirror again for me. Mat out. Alright, looks fairly limber. Alright.
Feels
Look it
straighter.
up.
It feels straighter. Yep. I'm centered up now. Yep.
Okay.
Looking
You
good.
get
Thank
shot?
you very much.
Feels good?
Yeah, it feels good.
Alright, you two.
Would you like an adjustment?
I'm okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Dr. Juntanen, Dr. Johnson from Houston, Texas.
Advanced Chiropractic Relief.
We'll see you next
See
time.
you soon.